So hello guys, we are talking today DevOps tool in a 1 minute. Okay, so let's start this concept. So here there are lots of things I will written. So here top 15 tools there are image, but this is not okay. So the first thing is a version control. It means a Git and GitHub. You always know a developer develop the code and make a repository to the Git and GitHub. Second is CI/CD pipeline with the help of Jenkins and GitLab. Third is containerizations. It means that we have a contain and all the code we have in this containerize, and we will give to the tester, we will give to the another person for testing. All the things we have to containerize with the help of Docker. Fourth is Kubernetes. This is for automation tool for making automatic all those things. Fifth, infrastructure as a code in Terraform and Ansible. Sixth, monitoring and logging. In this monitoring, let's take an example. You have a website that monthly visit is 1 million, and if there is a 2 million visit, then what happened, there is a happen that system will be crash. So what happened, we have to monitor all this thing for being not crash this system. Seventh, or I think last but not the least, we have a cloud platform that AWS, GCP and Azure. All these three are cloud platform. If you're starting, so you start with AWS, and yes, this is over.